So my poor Jeep finally had enough. It said enough is enough. All you do is put your money on the Can-Am. And it got mad with me. And I got a flat. So I don't even know how that happened. But I guess I was due for some tires. It went flat. I got the spare on, but this is a very old spare. A lot of thread, but it's really old. It's kind of dangerous. Luckily, we received our tires, and we're gonna go install them today. So I've never really went with these tires. They're Kenda's 37-inch Klever RT. So they're in between the mud terrain and the all-terrain. That's what kind of got me intrigued. So they kind of look aggressive. I was kind of scared they weren't gonna look aggressive. So I'm kind of excited to throw these on the Jeep. They should be a lot quieter. I kind of don't do a lot of off-roading on the Jeep anymore. So I really don't mind going this route and giving these tires a try. In the market right now, the tires are super expensive. I think 2 years ago I got these and I paid around $1,300, I believe, plus tax. These were the Maxxis Razor mud terrain tires. They did good, but if I wanted to buy these again, I was gonna end up paying $1,800 plus tax. So I went a little cheaper route. We'll give those Kendas a try and see what happens. I just want to give you guys another look of the thread pattern. So a little different from what I'm used to. Pretty nice though. And let's see. So here's a little bit of info. It says tread 7 ply. Load range D. And what do they call these on the side? Triple thread or triple thread sidewalls. I imagine it's because of this little bumps. Got the dates, I believe. But yeah, this is the last tire I need to figure out how to put inside the Jeep. I got 3 and the flat tire in the back so far in. So we're gonna fit 5 37-inch tires inside this 4-door Jeep. We arrived, got all my tires back there, and I'm over here in Youngtown at my friend's shop. If you need a reference or any place to go, this is the spot. Not just because he's my friend, but they do quality work. Good prices too. The only thing is they're out here in Youngtown. But let's get this Jeep done.
It's a celebration of great food
tires installed. As of right now, I really don't hear the tires on the highway. So far so good. So I got the tires installed. So far, they ride pretty smooth. Not getting a whole lot of noise yet, but we'll put some more miles in and see how they turn out. They're not super aggressive, but they are pretty aggressive. The way they look once installed. These side lugs is what kind of helps it. I don't even know if that's what you call them. But there it is, 37s by 12.50. It'd be nice if they made them 13-inch wide.